Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with another Tuesday morning haul. So, when I went to Tuesday morning, all I found Halloween-wise was one little 6x6, sorry about for the wrestling, 6x6 paper pad. I was feeling a little bit sad. So, anyway, when I got up there, I saw that they had another, this is a 6x6 paper pad by My Mind's Eye, and it's called Trick or Treat. And when I went up there, I saw that they had another, like a little My Mind's Eye crafting kit. And I said, hey, is that for sale? And they said, yeah, it was returned. You can have it if you want. And I was excited to get it. I'll show you that one in just a second. The number for this one is 1995863. It's $199. And they said if you are interested in other Halloween crafts, you should check out our Halloween decorating section because that's where you put all the crafting stuff. I mean, who knew? So I went over there. Here's the one that caught my eye and got me started in a conversation. And this is also Trick or Treat, just a bigger style, and you also get a sticker sheet. And it's only $2.49, which I think is a really, really good deal. And the number for this is 1995869. And so I went over there, and it was like hitting the jackpot. So these two I got, I'm very excited about. Then when I went over to the Halloween section, they had this, which is the glassine paper. Sorry, my dog's in here. That you can use to make little goodie bags. I don't have that goodie bag die. I don't think you really need it. I think I could just use some fancy scissors or something like that to make these bags. But super cute. Super excited to find these. These are 12 by 12. There's 24 pieces. And they're $4.99. And the number is 1984242. And I can make a ton of bags with these, 24 of them. So that was exciting. And then I didn't take everything out. So I'm so sorry for the rustling. I found this Thickers chipboard, and this is $1.99. American Crafts 1984264. I love this. It's black and gold, and it's mostly icons and words. So I'm excited about that. And then also I got, they had a couple of, some other things I didn't get. I didn't think I would really use it. Some more thickers, and these are like chipboard pieces, and they were $1.99 as well. And the price and the number for that is 1984265. And this one is called Spooky, and then this one is called Bootyful. And so there that is. I love to use these on the covers of like mini albums. They're really good for that. So then I've got these. These are little tag kits. Super adorable little tag kits. And they have these little foam skull and crossbones. And then I think these are spiders and these cute little tags. So these were $2.49. And the number is 1984271. And then I was happy to find some pink paisley. Didn't find any paper, but the pink paisley. So these are like washi style stickers and other stickers, but they're very thin. So you easily can use these, in your traveler's notebook or in your planner if you don't scrap or anything like that, or you can use them for cards for sure. $1.99, and they're calling it a washi book because it is very thin paper. And this is pink paisley spellcast. The number for this is 1984246. And then I was super excited to find the Pebbles ephemera called Midnight, and there's 40 pieces in here. It's $2.49, and the number is 1984253. And this is to give you kind of an idea of what is in there. And then they had these the same similar tag kit to the one I just showed you. In a lot of ways it's similar but different. This is pumpkins. It's $2.49, and it's 1984270. And basically this is like a mason jar that you could decorate, and then you can stuff with the pumpkins, or you can put spiders in it or whatever you want. I just think that's super adorable. So I have that, and then a couple. Night. And this is American Crafts. These are puffy stickers. Love these. They're $1.99, 1984257. Those are super, super cute. You see that right there. Okay, and then a couple other things that I got there. Let me go ahead and pull that out. Let's see, I've got my receipt. Keep that over here. So I got, oh, forgot about these. So these are like doilies, only they're in spider webs. Now they had something like this, but they were giant orange leaves. I didn't get those, but I got these. And there's a bazillion of them in here. $2.49. There's 40 of them. And the number for this is 1984251. So, oh, and one more thing. This is also Pink Paisley Spellcast. I love this. It's black and gold stickers. And they're $1.49. The number is 1984259. You get 36 stickers in there. And then I just picked up some large doilies. I don't know if anyone else thinks it's weird that there's all kinds of product from Michael's there. Like, why don't Michael's is a giant store. Why don't they just put their stuff on sale at their store? It's kind of weird to me. You know what I mean? I don't know. Just weird. 199-3407. They're only 99 cents. And then this, I've been eyeing these different dies for a while, and I really like them. The reason why I was resisting is because they were so expensive. I think $4.49 for this one die is expensive. But my dog's got a cone on his head because he has a broken leg. Don't ask. But we're suffering through it. But anyway, he has a cone right now. So, because, yeah. Anyway, $4.49 and it's 193-6488. There should be tons of them in there. But I just broke down and got it because if I don't get it, you can never find it again. And so I might as well. So after that success, I was feeling a little high on life. So I decided to hit the other Tuesday morning on the other side of town in hopes that I would get lucky with more Halloween stuff. I had just been there and they had said, oh, everything comes out on Tuesday, blah, blah. Well, I went there and I did find different stuff. So there. I did get this from this other Tuesday morning and I'm excited about it for home decor. It's all glittery. It's a bat. And basically what you do with these is there's a place for a battery and you put a battery in and you plug it in and it lights up. And there's an on and off switch. And this is $3.99, 1984262. It says the estimated retail price is $19.99. It's a really good size, and it would be very, very cute, you know, as decor. I move that out of the way because it's kind of big. It's a very, very good size. And I'll try to pull out Halloween stuff first, and then I'll show you the other stuff that I got. I got this. Now, they had other of these sticker value pads. I'll be honest, I don't use tons and tons of stickers in my projects. I do use some, but because we're getting up onto the Halloween season and I'm going to be doing some Halloween stuff, I thought I would get these. So this is what you get. You get cardstock stickers, alphabet stickers. You get these tabs, which I love. I'm going to try to do something cool with the tabs. You get some icon stickers, some more cardstock stickers, and then some chipboard stickers. So it says up to $14 value, $4.99. The number is 2010184. I was actually really excited to get this one. And they had, like I said, other ones there. I just wasn't totally feeling those ones. I did get these, which I didn't see at the other Tuesday morning. And these are also Pink Paisley Spellcast. And these are stickers, $1.99, 198-4261, 120-piece stickers. And they also have like these word stickers at the bottom. And I just think that's super cool. And let's see, what else did I get that was Halloween? Oh, I got another one of these. I think I thought I didn't get to this one, but I got another one of those. So, you know, I might do a little giveaway. I don't know. Even just giving those away for somebody who doesn't have them. The same with this, because this was something else I found. So these two are items that I already got. So maybe I'll do a giveaway with that. We'll see. Time is what it is in my life. We'll see. This isn't Halloween, but it's fall. I was excited to see these because these are really cute. They're not just a wood veneer, but they have, like, they're printed. So they're cool. $1.99. It's called Woodland Forest. It's by Pebbles, and the number is 1984252. And it's got pumpkins. You could paint these, or you can color them in your Copics, or just put them on as a wood piece. Super cute. I broke down and got this one. I didn't get the fan because I bought the fan on eBay, but I did get this one. It's $7.99. And it's a vintage globe. I've seen people do really cool stuff with it. I have the tiny ones, but I wanted the bigger one. I have these tiny ones. I have the globe one as well, but like this size, I have that size. So, you know, anyway, that's what I'm working with. And so the last three things lying here that I got another one of these Heidi Swapp one's called Imagine. So they had a ton of documented. I didn't want that one, but I did want the Imagine one. It's $4.49. I was excited to get it. It's $192.9996, and you know, it's a beautiful die. I just think it's a little pricey. I did buy. I broke down. I had seen these the first time around, but I had not seen like these patterns. I had seen other patterns. A fall one. I saw a school one. I saw like a home one, welcome to your new home, and I just wasn't feeling them, so I didn't get them. But this one I really liked. I loved this flower, just tropical look is what I liked. It's called Summer Assortment. But the tropical look, and then the pineapples, there's pineapple paper. You can see that. And so it does have glitter. And then it has a bonus sticker sheet, which these are stickers I probably will never use. They're just odd. They're like little tag stickers, alphabet. I'll never use that. But I do like the glitter paper. It's very cute. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheets of paper. At least one of them is glitter. Actually, one's velvet and 2 are glitter. So it's cute. Then I did break down and I got the Christmas one. And this was the only one that I saw at both Tuesday mornings and when I went the first week and I saw them. $4.99, 2010167. It is normally like $15 is what it's saying on here. There are cute die cuts, it says, and at least one sheet with glitter. The papers for this one is very, very cute. I really like all of them. And I actually like the sticker sheet that this one comes with. I think it's a little bit more usable than the other sticker sheet. That was part of my problem too, is I didn't like the stickers. I found them very juvenile. They didn't kind of float my boat. So that is my haul from Tuesday morning. Tell me what you think. And if people would be interested in a little Halloween giveaway, I will, maybe give those other ones away. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with a Heart.